Service warning reset in a Citroen DS5. As you can see just there, the interval has been exceeded, and I'm just going to show you how to reset that now. So to reset that service warning, you simply press and hold this button here while also switching on the ignition. So that start button over there, you'll press and hold that at the same time, and then you hold it until it resets. So I press and hold that, press the ignition on, and you hold that down for 10 seconds. And the service warning has now been reset. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.